Coming live from Merida, Mexico, this is the Amputee Adventures.
Buenos dias, everybody. I just did this whole thing and just realized I wasn't recording. Buenos dias. I'm sitting here. It's Monday morning, 11:30 or so. Sitting here at the Merida airport, flying out to Miami for a few days to get the visa run. And so, yeah, Merida Airport. It's a smaller airport for an international airport. It only has 3 terminals, so it's almost like Oakland Airport. It's an international airport and very convenient when it's not a lot of people. So it's muy bueno. Got here early, did my antigen test just now. I went upstairs and there's nobody in line. Dude was listening to music on his phone. And so yeah, here to do a test. Okay. So they took my information, my passport, paid them 633 pesos, and 673 is the price for the antigen test. So $33, something like that. Anyways, so did that and said my results be ready in like 20 minutes. So just chilling out here, and yeah. Did want to share with you what happens at the airport when you are coming into Merida. You cannot order an Uber here at the airport. They're not allowed to pick up from the airport. So you can either walk about a quarter mile off the premises and order an Uber there, or you can just get taxis right there. They're right out in front. You got big ones, so if you have a lot of luggage, you can get that there. And they usually charge, when I first got here, they charged me 200 pesos, which is more than an Uber. Taking an Uber from my place from Centro to here, it was 89 pesos, 83 pesos. So, yeah, they'll charge you anywhere from 200 to 400 pesos. But they're the comfort ones with air conditioning and big vans. So if you have lots of suitcases, it's great. Yeah. Serious, this is going to be my trip to Merida, or my trip to Miami, doing a visa run. Hopefully I can get through it. And, yeah, serious. And just got the test results. Negative on the test results. I'm negative, so I can board the plane.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.